Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve worksheet of 7th lesson statistics. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answer for the questions given below. In that, children, first one, what is the class mark of 25 and 35? Here, children, 25 plus 35 divided by 2. We get, children, 30. So, option D is a right, children. Okay. Second one, what is the upper class limit for class 25 and 35? 25 is a lower class, children, and 35 is a upper class. Okay, here in the question what they ask, upper class limit. So 35 is a right answer. So option B is a right, children. Complete the following cumulative frequency table. First column is, children, class. Monthly income in rupees. It is given, children, okay, in the question. Next column is frequency, number of individuals, okay. Now, third is, children, more than or equal to type cumulative frequency. More than or equal to type cumulative frequency. What we have to do, children? Add or subtract? Yes, we have to subtract the frequencies. Okay, what we will do here? We subtract the frequencies. Okay. Now, first column, it is given, children, monthly income in rupees. Okay, 1000 to 5000, 5000 to 10,000, 10 to 15, 15 to 20,000, 20 to 25,000. Okay, these are the grouped, children. Now, frequency, number of individuals. Okay, 45, 19, 16, 2, 5, and the total of frequency 87. Children, listen. In more than type, what we will do, children? The total of frequency 87 we bring to the top, children. Means first line we write 87. 87. Okay, children. Total of the frequency we have to take to the first line, that is a 87. Now 87 minus, what is our first frequency, children? 45. So 87 minus 45 equal to 42. Now this 42 we have to take down to, children, to next line. Minus 19, we get 23. Now 23 take to the next line. 23 minus 16 equal to 7. Okay, children. Now 7 minus 2 we get, children, 5. Here, children, you see the frequency column last what is there? 5, right? And here you see what is that there last? 5. So both should be matched, children. Both should be equal. Then your sum is right, children. Okay. In a basket, there are 10 tomatoes. The weight of each tomato in grams is as follows: 60, 70, 90, 95, 50, 65, 70, 80, 85, 95. Find the median of the weights of tomatoes. Here, children, we have to find the median, okay, of the weight of tomatoes. For finding the median, what we have to do, children? The first step is what? First of all, children, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay. So, solution. Write the given data in the ascending order. Which is the smallest number here, children? 50. After that, which one is there? 60, 65, 70, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 95. Okay, children. The first step, we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. Now, children, n equal to 10. We have to count the numbers. Okay. How many total numbers are there, children? 10. So 10 is the even or the odd? Even. So whenever the even, children, okay, we have to find the average of middle two numbers. Okay. Median, if the average of middle two numbers. Median is average of 70 and 80. Okay children. Therefore median equal to 70 plus 80 divided by 2 equal to 150 upon 2 equal to 75. Okay children, this way we have to find the median weight of tomatoes. Whenever children number is even, okay, then we have to find the average of middle two numbers. The final statement children, the median weight of the tomatoes is 75 gram. Question number 4. Practice yourself children. Yield of soybean as per acre in quintals in Mukunda's field for 7 years was 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. Find the mean of yield per acre. Children, here we have to find the mean. Mean means, just now I have explained what it means children, average. Here we have to find the average of these numbers. So first of all, solution. Given data equal to 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. N equal to 7 means total how many numbers are there? 7. So n equal to 7. Therefore mean equal to 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 7. When we add all the numbers children, we get 49 divided by 7, we get children 7. So the average is what children? 7. So the statement, mean yield per acre is 7 quintals. Okay.